Abusa comedian as well, anybody aba, ebufu aba. Concern the rate at which the NDC government is going after some TikTokers, any MP for now say, can be Emma, government, no. The rate at which the NDC is with hunting them, no. A past comedian, local swa. You know, na Jantuah and Cocoa Pie were lie together with Bonohene. And some of even the NDC TikTok, I'm just say there be the Mahama area, no. There be all lucky NDC for lucky emotional intelligence. Omo abe blàst with them. Now Sam George, why come out Sam George? Me man chire mu no akire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Ahi penya broke media. Mesro say any dey mo. Obe like video no da ma bo subscribe button, say click notification latest update. Am be chire wadwen dey ama me. E wo comment section. Oba so a. No share for anya bi ahwe. You know, yen nyina ye wo krom ha no mo. Anywho, how NDC weaponized insult against Akufo-Addo, Bawumia and the NPP. Emma even it got to a point here. Now the word NPP no Omayan NP picks. Just say Omayan NPP picks. Omo the last P no I and the picks. Emma just say Akufo-Addo than a laughing stick. Ewa Ghana hanum. Accra didn't home fell, Penny didn't face oh be a church. Emma we had a whole national television, like a whole national media, like TV3. Emma Omuma Omu, you know, graphic designer, Tilapia. This series of just say disgusting flyers. And they were used to impede on the integrity of Akufo-Addo. Just Akufo-Addo, come on. TV3, they did all these stupid things, but Obia and go after them. Sam George, our information communication minister, was able to say or make a post on Twitter. Ejapadia and what you say, these are the Ejapadia dwarfs. And what this a monkey said, they just say, come on, we had Sam George did this nonsense against Akufo-Addo. Obi Ankashi. And Sam George even got to a point where he called Akufo-Addo useless. Sam George called Akufo-Addo useless. And he also said he's over-pampered sports kid. Just say, and someone, Sam George, is Akufo-Addo, not easy. Obi Ankashi, Chrome Hanomo. Now, you know, our Krobi will say Akufo-Addo question said, how do you keep calm when people are vehemently criticizing you? I'm Akufo-Addo, my perfect answer.
Please, how do you keep calm when people criticize your actions?
What?
How do you keep calm when people criticize your actions?
How do I keep calm when they criticize my actions? First of all, I think that's a system of government that I've always wanted for this country. A country whereby presidents, people in authority, ministers, presidents, whoever you are, can be criticized. There was a time in Ghana when it wasn't like that, when one man spoke and that was that. I've never liked that sort of situation because I don't believe that you have a situation whereby one man knows everything. It's better to have a system where lots of ideas and lots of brains are brought forward to one thing. So that's the first thing, is that I approve of the system whereby people can criticize the president. So if that happens, it will look strange if I start getting agitated when people are criticizing me. I'm not God. I cannot be. None of us are. But we do our best. But criticism is a good thing. It helps you sometimes see things that you yourself have not seen. It opens up different perspectives. A lot of times you can disagree with your critics, but sometimes there's something in the criticism that is of use and of benefit which you can use to do. So that's the reason why I don't get agitated when people criticize me. I think it is their right to do so. But it's just as if it is my right also to ignore their criticism if I think that there's no substance in it. But that's the system that we have.
Emma, despite all this nonsense, because I don't know this for you to put this in your channel, they were saying still Akufo-Addo want to instigate culture of silence. Emma, you can say a demonstration 8 years, but I got Captain Spark, quite can quasi, couldn't go in Zimbunu, quite can quasi, a semi no. They were saying, say, Akufo-Addo is instigating culture of silence, and they must free Captain Smart. But now, no, omo fie, no mo ye dede no. Ebusane, esini kurui. Just a one can be go against this government. It will be chow puno, will be 2 punos to see about Chiwako. You will be 2 puno, will be 2 puno, etuako. But now, as it stands today, the NDC TikTokers, even now, they are still insulting the Kufuor, but their leaders have turned blind eyes towards that. As they don't see it. But the NPP ni blogger and not Twitter, ko post BB keke. Within 24 hours, they will locate you and they will arrest you. No, Anna Bonohene. Nana Jantuah, and some of the TikTokers about joining conversation, which is John Mahama Sam George, they lack emotional intelligence.
I want to tell President John Mahama, your president. And we started that conversation on Facebook.
Okay.
Okay, politicians in Siadie.
They don't learn.
They don't learn. And you see, like I've said on Facebook, a bad optics for President John Mahama.
Oh, really?
Yes.
How?
But you see, they are we are hand time position and said the people around you, no catch up said the
oh, okay.
Time they are now bones the president what to swear. Your mouth yet demigod. And that's why I am always careful. I've said, say, president be an dear mau or life. And I say, we shall see a lusu
goodwill.
A goodwill, no. When the people around you, you demigod, and then you demigod.
Demigod nature.
Demigod is a young yame. Yentimin kawasem.
Okay.
That was the point he drew na Kufuor do tani en kanasem. And that is what is happening with John Mahama with this issue. I am disappointed in him and I'm disappointed with so or allow in the name of the law. There are certain things, sir. And you apply you. What you say, law, but there are certain issues, sir.
Common sense must apply.
Common sense must apply. Oh, sir, I do me, you do me, I will do you kind of politics, no. Nipa no se ususu se wafa obi bia ye nkoni room e nkrasesem nkrasesem yoko ye BNI ya be bu demu this thing NDC ni NPP fo nyina yes handsome hu ni bi
emra ne mom kwa so be sa
tie se uhia me a you invite the person maso Kofi Juma 70 years over okwo or a known person wa bobra into we here now catching so bad normal. What you say?
Yeah.
Do you need to ransack the place? What ba you want to search warrants? What you say?
Yeah.
Because of our power. And just that time, what a politician won't there. And Kasabi, Sanka we are bay, Obe Sankame. Me, I've been a victim.
Oh, really?
But you know how I suffered and the
I do for that, yes.
You
okay.
know it.
But ideally, can you go
ideally, I shouldn't, but my principle is that allow people to express themselves.
What is wrong is wrong.
What is wrong is wrong. That is the principle. I will not support anything just because say MPP for the BD you know say abaya sesania resetia. Also quite yes and nyoma na ye. It's say that's what buni there no akwa say oya kokra. One she okra bi beton so.
Yeah.
No.
Trauma.
No.
Because you be cast with from Mahama who be say
no, he is what does the law say? Everything that happens President John Mahama. No, he is everything that happens. He appoints IGP.
Okay.
So anything that happens, Mama Maya nyasa anyoma no to say edu ane de say Kufuor. Edru maybe na omu yesa. So be kaya make say other President John Mahama onye nipa. When Nana Kufuor was the president. You remember? Edru maybe na kwese president na Kufuor ye bibi ne kaka no mu defend it. Ama make say mo de bibi na mu defend it, but eba President John Mahama onye nipa. I was defending at that time say President John Mahama there ye keke bi chere no you guys were okay but the do muso ne ye can be a chairman you no man you offended
yeah
like what is happening enti emma say abaya sesa na obi expressing the view and na say ususu obi e diska odi tuo ukoye den they've done that to my own person, one of my businessmen.
Wow.
I'm telling you.
Abanweya.
Wow. and the yire ne ma e wo ho ne di tuo. Hey, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Hey. Ye di tuo abai we. Ene o ma ye di. Na unim that me businessman on kasa at the right time any betimi aka me pese me kan wasem e hihye ho me ne kasa no su you freezing account for nothing. Sam George wa ho no na ye ka bi bia che unti ase unko na aka brofo because of your why
asem for Sam George ho
it's a huna onye ono ni minister of communication
ada eri na esi
enye ono na ebe che cyber ho ahwan bully ne cyber dey na fake news disinformation.
He's only doing his job
doing his job and kono na wasn't catching it too.
Oh,
and I'm saying Sam George Munin, some of Mukan, Efan and Kufuado, the kind of things that they did. Unko the page is now who your man on one Kaka and Kofa. Oh, say, or share and punch, share a few monkeys. Eko Kasa sending your man, ye name you. He did all those things.
Kajubeka say, why must you not allow the law to take its course?
This is not about the law, this is common sense. And let me tell you, if you understand politics, say, who you say now? A boy gather the base of your position.
Oh, really?
Yes. Hey. Politically. When you begin to do that now, and my NPP for be a no move for a buy no.
As a go for come by.
Tell me, on Kofo into Masha say, Musu Jimmy. No more the okay, yati. Sa, me say, Sanyo Mano Munchia. Okay, politicians are said, do. Okay, your momentie.
Almost all day.
Almost all day. Okay, your momentie. Sanyo Ma, we say, Janani Buofu, a Kufuado no. A football sena ira.
Masoko Fidima, what do you say?
Almost a year kuhiano. So I had you said document to set you. Nyansa Quinson, you call the person.
But do we know say a friend one corner?
What I'm saying is that there are many ways. You will be on Kobebia, on Yanin Kobebia. Tell my wound to me, maybe uncle.
Yeah.
What I say, 70 years old, Jania Queen.
Of course.
Onia Busia. And you could bunny dine, no could bunny room. Here, and I make us say, and Cassawa. Yeah, the people do who politician now, and now who support no. In some now we MP, NDC me, and we are okay, and to young fan new opino. Yeah, the people do that to be no person conforming can be mount. Young can be mount. Yeah, the people do because power sir. NDC international check. NDC international show. I use for HS about. And this is John Mahama in 2 years. And this is in 2 years, Eba.
2 years.
And to what makes you think so about chance watching? Yeah, who be you? Ya kanya tell people before mentie no and ya catch them say e be sesan ya kan o mentie and then what is happening what's your mukem ya catch you say monto mo boas na be sesan NDC hwe emesere enti na hwe ukọ social media NDC for foot soldiers no no ma say attack me
the kapa ko yo kai election man obi boss Sam George Toro.
I think it's 2020.
Yes, we complained and we condemned it.
As simple as that.
Say na the papa and can condemn you no come na ya the dey wa anya wo de no.
And we attacked the MPP for doing that nonsense.
Yeah.
Sam George, we defended you. What do you say?
But it's okay, Sam George.
I am saying that he is the Minister of Communication. He is in charge of that. When you go to page this one, what share the act of the cyber, the bully and all those things. This is part of protest. You can protest. I want to say. More time. Munje nyoma manana kufuadu. Mutimi. Tilapia mu omutimi yese na na kufuado wo jane nan amobi sisedi anda ayi
basental dey by am Dr. Baomia pa de pa na nyezo
mu ye we nyina kekanse muru we nyina kire na na kufuado. Of course me I hated certain attitude of him and it's public knowledge.
Yeah, wakasa.
But my principle is that me to be in Tinase now on kase obi a share the ideas inti kodidi na you can say kochino ko use police ebusa say police na chain no eh ade a mempe kra no allow the person to express himself. Yeah suffer and the MPP but we will defend anybody obey na adwen say odi ehurihura so obi ka bibi na nya mamra no
okay
ba wodi tuo na ne yire no aye say no ransake no it is wrong maso kofi djuma se waye bibia monfoni from na kwa so na ko bu nem dan mo ye na bibi nso yire
oh
point in time bra mampayin na nado atia kunwa so no akraketwa meaning so wadu primary 6
I ask you to be citizens.
one trust who say NDC for din kwasi asem in opposition and to be say mampayin na nado say saha no ma na ya omkeka fa ho no ma na ya wotete no wotia ya wosum sen tie de mampayin na nado kai.
Please, how do you keep calm when people criticize your actions?
What?
How do you keep calm when people criticize your actions?
How do I keep calm when they criticize my actions? First of all, I think that that's a system of government that I've always wanted for this country. A country whereby presidents, people in authority, ministers, presidents, whoever you are, can be criticized. There was a time in Ghana when it wasn't like that. When one man spoke and that was that. I've never liked that sort of situation because I don't believe that you have a situation whereby one man knows everything. It's better to have a system where lots of ideas and lots of brains are brought forward to one thing. So that's the first thing.
Aya mampai dada nanado. Yebisa mampai dada nanado say amanfo kana semwa. Ya na wo fa ne saying. Wasi ya sa ohome we a good leader sa ohome. Enti mampai John Mahama ya se kwa aboa ntati ya ho na kosua nyansa Bible na e kan nyam na meka.
Adwin kase so da ya adwin keto anti ase.
Bible o se nipa wo tumi ti aboa ntati a. Aboa de nyina nipa ene diso. By Bible no Nyankopon na kan nyam na meka wo. Wo se kwa aboa ntati ya ho na kosua nyansa.
Adwin kase so da ya adwin keto anti ase.
Yenso bibi you are leader. Anyansam nyina na panyini enti ya se panyi due mante wate o bodue se mante nti nsam ni bi wo ho a ya no wa home so in opposition and somebody no manka wano ampanyi John Mahama wose ga bi o kire da kon bedi atuo no asante bedi atuo no ene hwan be wie sika e de amampanyi nanado
wa hwe
allegation we then boro so say yes yechi
akwaya John
Samuel Kujato Abrakwa Operation Recover All Youth was say NPP for we sika you bet me sika 21 billion.
I think on this point he has misbehaved.
Falsehood.
Akwaya John.
See a check.
Hey.
Falsehood yente.
Hey.
What intro?
Hey.
Yeah, cheno.
Oma
Malik Basintari Manukofa Prekoti. Santam na Baumia vice president.
Hey.
Kramonia na chuwa dia kasiye. Eye preku.
wa
No de to prete so na kitanwo. Se mampanya be de akiri Baumia wa wi preku.
Akwaya John.
Ya chobe okroma.
Akwaya John.
Yenya honto NDC presenter. Mani dia lupre to TV so national television. Asema no kan say mampanyi na na do fura lupre no a wanting to na wonwu.
Omo de oma bon na ye kasa omo nte no.
Dan na chen we.
Me need time to waste.
Yenya ye wokroma a George for NDC for atam omu di omo say sabi a George for wokroma nyina NPP for. Ne ani kroma.
Honorable John Mahama.
Yenya sabi jamfi kum na do maye nyame kum na do maye no mo nam no mo to na do mu.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Ma musuon kana MPP ni bi mie na no nka se. Mampanyi John Mahama Touchwood nyame ma no nkwane ahode no nyini nche. On top of ye be hu de be koso okruma akwa banya botre. Ye be hu ye be koso okruma. And wey agenda sa cheche no entimi ma obi anka na no ntumo because Kevin Taylor atena brochire sa kwoboro no wote brochire wontimi ma Ghana and o kire NDC for de omunye. On e control NDC say yankochi wey Kevin Taylor say yankochi no ye de mirika we nka no hu hia me nka na sem by tie sa asem bia waka se nyansa wo mu abadwen ba be ka sa asem we a
youth in the NPP hwema hwe ya ho 2028 no na mu dodo no mako jail na mu didem 10 years
Akwaya John.
Yei
Akwaya John.
Yei on e control NDC
Way boy.
enti aya agenda bi o ma set say ye di hu be cha MPP fo mu se na be anu 2028 no sabi obi akra ntimi mie na no nkasa
Jenia kasa.
but Ghana ye ni bajimi bre
Ne ka na da hodo.
uchi nipa no na okodamu a dan na o man Ghana binya
Etumpan.
e ma dum so e ne aba wo apre stop e ma nurse fo a ye ntwi omuka no ye twi omuka e ma teacher fo a ye ntwi omuka no ye twi omuka
Jenia
e ma
kasa.
AI system a ye dia ban na ye porta ye stand still ye ntimi nyi nuoma ye ntimi fa nuoma nko amanfo no ma be duru ho a be 3 days no mo nsankan 1 week no mo nsankan no e solve e ma kwanya tutu akwanya sabi ye ntimi nye o Ghana asolve ana ansu amanfo ntimi nya bi nom bosome bɛɛ baako na amanfoɔ nya nsuo nom yɛ abosome mmienu na amanfoɔ nya nsuo ɛnom yɛ turbidity levels kɔ so because of galamsey and mampanyin John Mahama ɛnyɛ mampanyin John Mahama ne bɛka kyerɛ sɛ ɔno ara na appointees no bi ɛyɛ illegal mining
adwin kɛseɛ so da yɛ adwin ketewa nte aseɛ
watumi akyerɛ mo
ne kaa na da hɔ no
wobi a wɔsɛ nsuo na bɛnom bi mɛnom bi yɛbɛwo nkra deformities Ghana bɛsia boka atwiti nsuo ansere bɛnya bi anom korɔno ne nipa bɔnefoɔ bɛn na kyɛn wei bɔɔ man ne hye man foɔ bɛn na kyɛn saa nkurɔfoɔ wei
ne kaa na da hɔ no
yɛnkɔ kyekyerɛ mo
kyerɛ wadwe ma me ɛwɔ comment section. Aha yi PENYAH Media. Accra.